Hey guys, it's Christy. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. My video For You page has a lot of food, obviously, because I cook and I post food videos and I watch food videos and I watch shopping videos. So it kind of comes into my feed. And now I'm seeing a ton of videos on egg flights. And while I think this is a great idea because I love deviled eggs, I thought about what if we could make dragon egg flights. So I have a red dragon egg and I have a green dragon egg and I have a few toppings, and I'm going to show you how to make some dragon egg flights. First, you're going to want to boil your eggs and then place them in some ice water to stop the cooking process. And then we're going to take them out and roll them and put them in some food coloring to make our dragon. So you take your egg and you kind of just hit it and then roll it, because we're wanting to get all of the cracks in the egg. And then you put it in your baggie, and then you take your dye, your food coloring, make sure it's food coloring, and we're just gonna put it in there. We're gonna let it set for a little bit to make sure it gets in all the nooks and crannies. Kind of like when you're dyeing an Easter egg, but you're gonna crack it all up. We're gonna let it set for a minute. Let me show you again on another one. Take your cooled egg, just hit it on your board and then kind of roll it with your hand. You're wanting to get all the cracks. Just make sure it's cracked so you get a good pattern. In the bag, we're gonna do this one green. I think I may have taken the shell off of that one already. So we're gonna let them set for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make our dragon egg flight. After your eggs set in the baggie for just a minute or two to however dark you want the food coloring to set in. I let mine set for 2 minutes on each one of these. It's my red one and my green one. And then you're gonna make them just like regular deviled eggs. So this one has, I'm gonna do it this way very carefully. Mine had a oopsie, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to scoop my centers in. These eggs are very delicate. My dragon eggs are falling apart. But if you're making them for a party or something, you can make more than just one green dragon and one red dragon's egg. So this is how I make my deviled eggs insides, the filling, for the traditional way. So I have the yolk, some mayonnaise, some mustard, just a very small amount of salt and pepper, and you mash it together. You can mix it to your preference if you want it very smooth or if you want a little bit of a chunkier egg. It's totally up to your preference. And then you just take it and you fill your dragon eggs back up. If you want to be professional, you can put it in a little baggie and make it all cute. But these are dragon eggs. In my opinion, they're not meant to be cute. Right. I have a couple of toppings. So for my green dragon egg, I'm gonna do a traditional one with just the filling and just some smoked paprika. And then for the second dragon egg, green dragon egg, I'm gonna go with the barbecue chicken. So just have a chicken nugget, and then I have some barbecue sauce. Maybe, I don't want a whole bunch, so I'm trying to be delicate with it. Maybe just a drizzle. There we go. Those are for the green dragon eggs. Now, oops, sorry about that, guys. For the red dragon eggs, one, I'm just gonna do like a tomato. And the other one, I have chiffoned some pepperoni. All right. So let me get them lined up and get a good picture of them. Oops. All right, guys, here are our dragon eggs. Chiffon pepperoni, regular just tomato, barbecue chicken, and classic dragon deviled eggs. Let's give them a try. All right, guys, we're gonna try these bad boys that we made to see if they're actually any good. So I'm going to start with the barbecue green dragon egg. And I know it's not gonna be pretty, but down the hatch. That's actually really good. Guys, sorry, I was eating with my mouth, so I had to pause. That dragon egg with the barbecue chicken was excellent. I was very surprised. Red dragon egg with just the tomato. Needs more tomato next time. Probably like 2. Only because the deviled eggs, dragon egg mixture that I use is very tangy. So I feel like the tomato didn't shine very much in my stuffing. So next one, red dragon egg with the pepperonis. That one's very good too. I'm pleasantly surprised. Last but not least is the traditional dragon egg with just some paprika. I know this one's gonna be good because I make them. First, I love the original deviled eggs. So the food dye doesn't add any flavor to them, but adding the toppings on them is a great idea, and I love this trend. So if I could get a thumbs up if you like this video, and like and subscribe and share and tell your friends. Thanks, guys.